Sorry to interrupt. Your screen not visible.
So I will share, sorry. Let me share. So tomorrow what happens, say, we have multiple conditions. Say we have five conditions. We have a condition that verify that test case passed, test case failed, test case skipped, or test case is blocked. So five conditions, seven conditions, 10 conditions. You cannot take care it with the help of if-else conditions. Okay. So in that case, we need to check the use of switch statement. So let's start. Pooja, you are in which company currently? Pooja, are you there? Hello. It's not okay. Hello, Pooja, are you there? Let's take, it was over weekend. Okay, let me create a file. So let me create a switch statement. Dot. Okay. So what I do, I create a variable const test status. Okay. I give it as a string value. Say the string is equal to eight. Fine. I give it as now. Now I go and check a switch statement. Switch. See, remember TypeScript, JavaScript, Java, they all are type languages. Okay, means they are case sensitive. If you give small, it will be considered as small. If you give capital, it will be capital. Okay, so I give it as capital field. Okay, so I go over here, I give here test dot upper. So now every test you will, it will pass every time, so it will be considered as upper only. Okay, uppercase. Fine. This is a function, inbuilt function in strings. We will study about it also. So I go to here. Now, if I see, if I give a case, so if I give a case, say case passed. If suppose case is passed, then you should print console.log. Okay, just print test case execution complete. Let's print one more line console.log action logged in result. And if this pass, these two lines will be considered and give a break statement. I will show you why break is required. Second case, I gave as fail. I gave it as fail. Is fail. Okay. So give it as console.log test case execution fail. Okay. And let's give two more lines that execution capture, screenshot taken, track viewer, logs created. I have given this. Just comments. If suppose case skipped, suppose if I give case SKI, so many cases I am covering now. Okay, third case. So I can give console.log I can give test case skipped. Okay. One more line, console.log. Break. Now suppose in any case test case is blocked, blocking could not be there. Okay. So I can give case blocked. Console.log and print test case is fine. And you can give it console.log anything that failure alert, DevOps issues came, that's why it got blocked. And last, give a break also. And nothing matches. If any case nothing matches, we can give default value. You can give a default value that this will happen. Default. Okay, I print anything, action defaulting, console print primary. Okay, so I created this program. Now our case is passed. So it will fail. It will come over here and print all these three things. Let me show you. If you go over here, if I go over here and give switch dot see, it gave me test case execution field because it matched this one. Now if I remove break from here, what happens? Control, oh, sorry, control S. If I remove, so see, it will not find the break till that it will find a break, it will execute. So now if I run it, it executed by this case also. Test case escaped, increment escaped. So you need to give break after every case. Okay. If say it does not matches, so see it will give you a default value, action defaulting to standard cost. Okay, guys. Anyone, any question, write it down. I am giving you 5 minutes. Any question, anyone? Come up with questions.
Is it mandatory to give the default or switch works with case also?
Not mandatory. I don't think. Good question. Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Yeah, yeah.
See, it is working.
Okay.
See, these questions, if you ask the questions, it gives you also a memory which helps you in a interviews. Okay, it helped me also. Okay, now in future anyone ask, I can say it is not required. Okay, so this is very good. Everyone should ask a question. No, go through it. We should know it. Okay. Now next is for condition. Now there is something known as for loop. Okay, guys, for loop. Okay. So we have a condition here. So for loop is always written in this way. See, for loop is always written in this way. So what happens? So this is initialization. This is initialization. So we were doing I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 10. These things we were doing. Okay, these are the initialization. Okay, so in the for loop also you need to do the initialization first of all. Then there is a condition whether this value is greater or less. Okay, so we can do it. Okay. So now let me show you one thing. See, small one. I will be starting with a small one. So I'm giving a for loop for let I is equal to sorry I colon number is equal to 1. I is less than equals to 5. I and I go over here, give console dot log. So remember I told you we can use this sign iteration number. You can use this if you have practiced. We give dollar and I. Okay, save it. Let's try to run it. So see, it went for a 5 iteration. Okay, it go for a iteration 5 times and it will test 1, 2, 3, 4. So how it did? For initially it was 1. So initialize happened for time only. So it was 1. It check it is less than 1 is less than 5. So I is 1. See guys, you should know this. Okay. I is 1, which is less than equals to 5. It is true. So bracket comes if it is true, it come here and print 1. Then it increments, it become 2. 2 is less than 5. Increment happens only 1. 2 is less than 5. Condition true, go to bracket, it print 2. Then increment 3. 3 is less than equals to 5. Print it 3. 4 is less than 5. Print 4 and 5. So this is the iteration which we have used. Anyone, any question in it? Anyone? Now suppose I want to do some, I will do another program here. Let's do a countdown from 3 to 1. I will do a countdown from 3 to 1. So I go over here for let I column number is equal to 3 and give I is greater than 0 and I minus 1. Okay, go over here and print console dot log countdown. Countdown. Save. So now our number value is 3. I is 3. If you check, I is 3. So initialization happened once. Now it will check I is greater than 0. Yes. It will go here, print. If I run it, if you run it, it's print 3 to 1. So it go over and print the 3 value. I is 3. Now it will decrease by 1. So it will become 2. It will check 2 is greater than 0. Yes, it will come down, print 2. Then in decrease, it will become 1. Then it's checking 1 is greater than 0. It is true. It will print 1 over. So this is a This is also one of the for loop which we have used. Okay. So these are the simple for loops I have used. Suppose now what I have to do, take a variable, say sum. I create a take a variable let. See guys, take your pen and pencil to do these things and paper if you don't know how to do it. Okay, you have to take out your pen and pencil and check it out. If I take sum column number is equal to 0. Okay, I give for let I column number is equal to 1. I is less than equals to 10 and I plus plus. I go over here and give sum is equal to sum plus I. Come out of it. Console.log. Okay, and print a sum. Save it and run it. Save it and run it. See, it printed me 55. How? I'm telling you, take out your pen and paper and do it. So I will be one first time initialization. Okay, no. I is less than 10, less than equals to 10. Correct. Okay, it will come down, true, come down. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is 0 and I is 1. What is sum value? Sum is equal to 0. Okay, and I is 1. So sum is 0, sum will become 0 plus 1. So it will become 1 now. Sum is now 1. Now it will increase the I will become 2. 2 is less than 10. Correct, it will come here. Sum is equal to sum plus 2. Now sum is 1. Okay, sum is 1 and I is 2. So it will I do 2. So sum will become 3. Okay, now again it will make I 3. 3 is less than 10. Sum is 3. Okay, sum is 3. Okay, now sum is 3 and I is 3. So it will become 6. So now sum will become 6. Sum will become 6. It will come over here 4. 4 is less than equals to 10. So sum is equal to sum plus. So sum is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. Anyone, any issues, let me know in this. If you have issues, please take your pen and pencil on page paper, trace it out. Tracing is very important in for loops. This is a single for loop. I will give you example of a for loop under a for loop. Okay, write this program. Any issues, just first of all trace it out. Okay, trace it out. Pen, pencil, trace it out, give the value the way I given. Just do like that. Then only you will be able to run. Else, this is the place where most of the engineers do not love coding. They quit. Because they have to take out pen, pencil and paper to make a tracing. Trace it out.
One question. Uh, can I ask?
Yeah, what about? Hmm.
Yes. I want to check that console.log. Can we directly give $I or we have to give in tilde only the way you have given?
Can you check it at your end?
Yes.
What is this one? You can directly give either I. You can directly give I. So I am printing a comment also. Okay. I am printing a comment also over here. I can give directly
Okay.
I. Okay. This will work.
Then
But I have,
$I is not required, right? Only
if you are
I
putting,
should give.
giving simply your I, if you don't want to merge, if you don't want to
Uh-huh.
concatenate with any string, then you can
Uh-huh.
go without dollar.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay. This is basically
Right.
for concatenation.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah, it works. If I give only I, it is working.
No. Now if I give for loop inside a for loop, practice as much questions you can do for loop. Do it with pen, pencil, and paper. For under dot ps. Okay, so suppose we had a something known as star, 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 star. I want to print. Okay, I want to print. So I give a for loop for. So how many rows are there? First row for loop will be for number of rows. Okay, so I give number of rows. So like let's give let I column number is equal to 1. It will go till 4. So I give I is less than equals to 1 and I plus plus. Take pen, pencil and paper for tracing. I create a string variable with empty, nothing there. Let row star column string equals to it. Okay. Now, first time my number will be 1. So I have to print 1 star. Second time when I will be 2, so I have to print 2 star. Third time when I is 3, I have to print 3 star. So I will take a inner loop which depend on I value. Okay, so I create here let j colon number is equal to 1. J is less than equals to I. Okay, and j plus. And I will merge that star on this in this row star. Okay, so I go inside it. I put row star is equal to row star plus star. Just I can come out of it and print. Once I come out of it, this loop, inner loop, I print number of star. Console dot log row star. Okay, save it. Now let's cut it. Let's try to run this. I will trace for you guys, but you have to trace yourself with pen pencil. I go here for under. It printed me. How? So how many rows are there? Four rows. So I is equal to one, trace like this. I is less than equals to 4. I have to go till 4 rows. It is true. It will come here. It will create a variable row star with nothing in it. So row star is empty, is having nothing. Okay. Now it come here for let j is equal to 1. J it will put as 1. J is equal to 1. Now it will check j is less than equals to I. Yes, I is 1. So I am saying 1, j is 1 is less than equals to 1. Okay. 2, it will come here and it will put a star here. So it will give it a star. Now, now again it will increase j plus plus. Okay, j will plus plus, it will become 2. It will check first inner loop is completed. It will check 2 is less than equals to 1. False. It is not. It will break. It will come out of this loop. It will come down and print the star. How many star it is? It will print 1 star. Now it will go upstairs. It will increase I by 2. Now I will be 2. 2 is less than equals to 4. I is less than correct. It will come again, initialize the j to 1. J is 1. J is less than 2. 1. This is 1 is less than 2. I is 2. It is true. It will give, see, row star will be now again refresh to 0. Now it will put a star in it. Okay. Now again it will increase the value of j to 2. 2 is, it will check again. 2 is less than equals to 2. True. It will add one more star to it. It will add one more star. Okay. Now j will become 3. 3 is less than equals to 2. This is false. This is false. It will break. It will come out of it and print 2 stars. It will come out of it and print 2 stars. Okay. Again, it will go upstairs. Okay. It will increase the I by 3. 3 is less than equals to 4. Correct. It will come. It will put j as 1. 1 is less than equals to I is 3. 3. It will, first of all, it will put it as empty. Okay. Because here it is empty. Now it will put a single star. Then it will go upstairs. It will increase the value. J plus plus. J will become 2. 2 is less than equals to 2. 2 star will be added. Then j will plus plus 3 star will be added. Then the loop will break, it will come down and it will 3 stars. Okay, guys. Anyone, any question in it? Anyone. You have to do with pen and pencil if you want to do things. Okay, take your pen, paper, and do. I am saying this 50 times I have told you. If you are facing the issues, you are not practicing it with pen and paper. Okay. So just practice out, print a try a program with its reverse of it. Okay. Star, 4 star upstairs, 3, 2. Your assignment is try the say 4 star, the opposite of it. Try opposite of it. Give me at least 2, 3 programs of these parent roles. Okay. Try it out. Fine. Very important. You have to try it out. You have to open your logics. Daily 2 to 3 program. Try it out. Next is your while loop. While loop is just same like for loop. Just the way of writing is different. Okay. Just write on. Okay. We will while. So see, I give an example of while loop. Now, so here we were doing initialization in a bracket, but here I do the initialization here. Let count. So suppose count number is equal to 1. So I give while count is less than equals to 3. Okay. So condition I am giving different place and I print out console dot log count. And now here I give increment or decrement. So I give count plus plus. Yesterday I told about count plus plus and all this thing. So here see simple. It is given the one while till time it will run. While count is less than equals to 2, it is 1. It will print 1 plus plus 2. It will check 2 is less than 3. 3 is less than equal to. When it will become 4, it will break it out. So if I give here count dot ps. What is the program? While. Sorry. So it printed me all. Okay. Suppose we have a sum of 10 numbers. So suppose I take sum of 10 numbers. So let's take a number. Let sum colon number is equal to 0. Okay. I take let I colon number is equal to 1. This is the initialization. Okay. I put a value while I is less than equals to 10. Take out your pen and paper. Okay. Just do sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay. And I and come out of it. Print console dot log from dollar. Save it and let's run it. So it gave me 55. So it worked. It worked in the same way. Same way. Initialization I did it here. I is 1, I is less than 10. Correct. Sum is 0, 0 plus 1. It is 1 first time. Now what happens? I will increase by 1. Okay. So it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Sum is 2. I will increase by 3. So it will be 2 plus 3. I am correct or wrong? Right. So it will be 5. I will be 3. So it will be plus 8. Okay, plus 3 is equal to 8. So it is the same way. The same way we will be doing here. Okay, guys. Just while loop, we have to do declaration somewhere else, condition somewhere else, and increment decrement somewhere. Okay. Anyone, any question? Write it down. I will give you example of do while loop also, though it is not used so much, but I will give you example also.
Sir, मतलब very basic question. So like here we are declaring like some number is equal to 0, correct?
Hmm.
But we also do like let sum equal to 0. So
Hmm.
मतलब what is the best practice to declare data type as well, मतलब
This
number?
is the best practice.
Or if we are, मतलब what's the difference basically here if we do that let
See,
sum
this
equal to
is
0?
typely strict. You know that this is a number. It will not take any values in future also.
This is for मतलब this is for us so that we can read some
Yes.
number.
And this is the best practice.
Okay.
Okay. I will teach you about this also. Don't worry. I will come when I will take some more examples. I will come with for these also how it is best practice. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Next loop is do while. So do while means something should happen at least once. Suppose I want to, I know I don't have money, but I go and at least, if I don't remember, at least I have to put the ATM card. Okay. At least you have to put one time. You need to check you are blocked or unblocked from an account. You have to at least log in. So one thing has to happen just once. That is basically a do while. So I click make here do while loop dot else. Okay. So I have over here, I give a let number is equal to 1. So now do, so if I go ahead and give console dot log, if I give here Okay. So here, if I run it, just so it print me 1, 2, 3. Because 1 is there, it will come, it will print 1 here. Then it will increase it. It will become 2. It will check 2 is less than equals to 3. Yes, it will come print 2. Then increase 3 is less than equals to 3. It will print 3. Now suppose I make it as greater than. Save it. And now if I run it, see, it will print 1. Though this condition is false, though this condition is false. Okay, it came in the loop and printed, it incremented, made it as 2. 2 is greater than equals to 3 is false, though it is false, but it printed it. So do while loop will at least runs once. Got it, guys? Anyone? We have done today for loop, for loop inside for loop, switch statement, while loop, and do while loop. Should I continue or you will do the practice of different programs? Give me a 2 to 3 program for everything. Should I continue? Yeah, everyone? Hello? Anyone? Chamak? Prasad?
Yeah, we can do
Yeah, this
practice
is
because
You need to do practice, fine?
we can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so guys, do the practice of it. I am not teaching one loop that is known as for each. I